A rectangular parking space must have an area of 400 square feet. The length is to be 20 feet more than the width. Find the dimensions of the parking space. So again, we're working with a rectangular parking space. So let's draw a rectangle. And we are told that the length needs to be 20 more feet than the width. So if we call the width x, the length must be x plus 20. And we're also told information about the area of this rectangle. Area must equal 400. So length times width equals area of a rectangle. So x times x plus 20 must equal 400. So we'll multiply this out. Using distributive property, we have x squared plus 20x equals 400. I see that I have a quadratic equation. We're going to solve by using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to subtract 400 from both sides, giving us x squared plus 20x minus 400 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, a will equal 1, b will equal 20, and c will equal negative 400. Using the formula, x equals negative b, which is 20, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 20 squared, minus 4 times 1, 4 times a, times c, negative 400, all of that over 2 times a is 1, so we get 2. Simplifying, we get x equals negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 400. 20 squared is 400. And here we get a positive 1600. All of that over 2. We get x is equal to negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 2000. All over 2. And we're going to take these two solutions and approximate them as decimals. So when we take negative 20 plus the square root of 2000 and divide that by 2, we get 12.36. And now the other solution, negative 20 minus the square root of 2000 over 2, gives us negative 32.36. Now it's because of this word problem we must throw out the negative solution. We cannot have, remember what x is referring to the width of the rectangle, which we know cannot be a negative number. So that extraneous solution we eliminate. So we have the width of the rectangle being 12.36 feet, 12.36, and then to get the length we'll add 20, giving us 32.36 feet. So the answer to our problem, the dimensions of this parking space, 12.36 feet by 32.36 feet.